sadly, people do treat you differently based on how you look. And when I was heavier, I was treated a lot more dismissive. Like people were like that. It has been a big shift in the way people treat me and the way I treated myself. Now I feel like I look at the person in the mirror and I respect them. The biggest time span that I lost weight in, probably around like 40 pounds between those 3 months. I just felt like cleaner from the inside. Like I just felt lighter, more energized. Before meal prep Sundays, I didn't understand the concept of like what protein, quantity protein was. My new normal to what I thought was feeling good is way different than it was before. You know, having like heartburn, I just felt bad, like eating In-N-Out, hamburgers, pizza. And after, you know, using meal prep Sundays for a consistent amount of time, I felt more energized, more aware, a lot more present. Your first meal, I know they give you like 60% off. So like, it's a no-brainer, like try it out. I'd rather pay for healthy meals, lose weight, learn how to eat healthy, live healthy, than be in a hospital bed in the future.
And then they deliver for free. They take care of all your macros and you can track them on their app and get workouts from the app itself. And they literally have juices that boost your metabolism. Just give it a try.